गाइस वेलकम बैक माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो दोस्तों आज मैं दिखाने वाला हूँ आपको मार्केट। तो अभी मैं यहाँ पर खड़ा हूँ, ये है ताज रिसोर्ट सिक्किम। तो ये आता है सिक्किम साइड में। तो आपको मैं दिखा देता हूँ सिक्किम के लिए, तो जो बीच साइड में रोड गया है, तो जैसे बता रहा था सिक्किम के लिए ये चला गया है बीच साइड के लिए रोड, जो सिक्किम लास्ट में है, फोर्ट हाउस जैसे वो बोलते हैं उसको। तो ये पूरा लास्ट में चला गया बीच साइड में, बीच आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा इस साइड में। और दोस्तों ये रोड चला गया है फोर्ट लाइट हाउस, सीधा रोड ये फोर्ट लाइट हाउस के लिए चला गया है। जैसे कि ये सामने देखो बोट लगा है, ये सामने जो दिख रहा होगा यहाँ पे हो रहा है, तो ये फोर्ट लाइट हाउस के लिए चला गया है। चलिए बने रहिए मेरे साथ। और ये चला गया है कलंगुट के लिए, कैंदोलियम टू कलंगुट। ये अभी यहाँ पर मैं सिक्किम में हूँ, तो सिक्किम टू कलंगुट मुझे पूरा वीडियो एक्सप्लेन करना है कि मार्केट कैसी है, कहाँ पे है। तो दोस्तों बने रहिए मेरे साथ। तो कंटिन्यू चलते हैं दोस्तों कलंगुट के लिए, तो पूरा कैंदोलियम होते हुए निकलेंगे। तो थैंक यू दोस्तों, बने रहिए। एंड दिस इज़ रिसोर्ट ताज रिसोर्ट। And this is Jahar Saloon and Spa, and this is a beach resort. And tandoori North Indian Punjabi food. This is international restaurant. Cone Kaju Shop, Donhill. And such is George. And this is church. Thank you for blessing God. And this is Grand Casino 7, the night party, and enjoys the party also people night. And this Candolia. There's a Heineken open wall. This casino. And this market is small. Everything's like foods. And this market, so clothes, ladies clothes, dresses and shorts, all t-shirts, shirts, all men people. So this children sleepers and all. This is curry house, a very international famous. And veg darbar, puri veg. This is very famous, the Indian people. So pav bhaji, puri bhaji. It's like this big mouth, this short bar. The international restaurant, all people, also foreigner here. And this is a shop like jewelries and bag, all dresses. And this is resort Acorona resort, Acorona resort. And this is Radisson. This is Radisson. Black and white, and this is all about alcohol. And this side, it's very beautiful, the sleeper and bikinis, also this t-shirt, so famous like pub t-shirts. And this is like dresses and shorts and t-shirt children's. Fernandez bar and restaurant. And this is shop and clothes, dresses and jewelries, all, and bikinis, and so golden jewelry is there. This restaurant is international restaurants. Let's go to beach side and tattoos and see this Kalangut, Baga Anjuna, Bagatur, Mapsa, Nirol, Isimo, Panjim. And this go to this road go to other places. And this is the Condulium Desk restaurant bar and international. This is restaurant. And this market, all t-shirts, so like all bags and cap hats, all this sleepers. This the beautiful market. And this device. This very beautiful Ashoka jewelers. Awesome. And this is like lamps or artificial hookah and so everything. Lemon tree, tea, amrita, lemon tree, amrita. This is short. So it's very beautiful. This market and clothes. So and this market so only sleepers, and this is so restaurant and bar Kandolim Goa. Delfino, also Hopper, beer, Bira, Simba, also beer here like so this store. This market, so it's very crowded area. And this is New Towns big market like, and this market go to east side, so very beautiful market, also tattoo, also sleeper bags, and so everything's goggles, heads tattoo, so very beautiful. Like shorts and t-shirts, like in Goa it's very hot, some is normal, so like this dresses, and this is like furnitures in home, and this is like all bags, and this is Angara barbecue and garlic sports, and this is restaurant Inferno. So very nice restaurant, and coconuts or Ajura. It's very beautiful. Goan Indian Chinese Tamar bar and restaurant. So this is a parking site, and this is parking area, four-wheeler. And this parking area, four-wheeler, and this shop, tattoos, ice creams, this park like all go to walking or some children, so very beautiful this you see. And this is go to a beach side, and this side so four-wheeler parking. Very beautiful. Goan Tourist Police. This side's Tourist Information Center. This is a Tourist Information Center. Anything you have problems, now you come this center. And this is tattoo shop. Also the dresses, shorts, and clothes. And bar, and this clothes, so all women's dresses and t-shirts, all this bikinis and sets, so very beautiful. This sets out tattoos. This side it's like the statue and the slippers, Buddha statue and everything. And this Axis bank and ATM this side, so good market, but this is not open now this time. And this is the HDFC bank is the ATM this side, left side, so providing their side. Bally's Bakers. This is restaurant, and international restaurants like all foods. And this is Kaju Depot. So you can see this market, all cool drinks, so like Oha Pao. This is local Pao, and this Feed Me More, and this is football ground, but I'm not sure. This I think is football ground. This is it's a very big football ground, and this is resort. And this is shop, and this is a very famous international coffee. And this is a Sea Bass Lander supermarket. This is liquor, beers, and whiskey also available there. This shop, the King, Budweiser, this, and Johnny Walker. And Special International Supermarket. This is the very famous supermarket. Krishna Punjabi restaurant. And now here this cleaning all full road. This is so very all clean this Goa place. So and support all people. This cleaning all Goa. Then no anywhere is VIP view. Saloon. And this is the all markets very famous. Is now here any people so shopping now come anytime. It's and this is shop Manex. This is shop. This all everything's like shorts, clothes, ladies, women, and this weeknies also. And this is hotel solely season. Sorry, it's very crowd. This and road now. This very so I'm confused of what I explain and what not I explain. So sorry. This Lois Goa Candoleum. This is very famous. The international hotel. This is Hyatt. This is very famous, the world famous Hyatt resort like hotel. So this is very nice. And Delhi Darbar restaurant and bar. This is a showroom and Puma, Levi's sell now 50% discount now this time. This is Punjabi grills, veg and non-veg thali also available. Sagar Puri Veg Family Restaurant. This is now, so now you come and take food also. This is very beautiful and very famous this restaurant. And this is branches. This is a market. So Jentes Mahi Kaju shop, wine shop. So and so very beautiful this market. So Goa Kaju shop. And now Goa Kaju, local Kaju now this and place. And this is restaurant Budweiser, the very famous restaurant, international restaurant. This and all come foreigners and Russian all people so here. And this is Newton this market, and so very famous this site like Kalangu. It's a very close this market. Punjabi kitchen, bar and restaurant, breakfast, lunch and dinner. So very nice here, like international restaurant this side. So also you can see this side. So all people. So and this is church, so very famous church. So I don't know what name, but thank you for blessing God, and everything's fine. And my YouTube channel, so please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, please, my friends. And so now I go, you can see this statues like this, so very nice. You can see Mahek Punjabi family restaurant, very famous. And this Tangerina Baga or border planetary four and golden future. So you know, puri veg family restaurant. So very I like Kanhaiya. So please like, subscribe, my friends. So guys, you can see all market, everything. So Punjabi chaat. All this is Krishna Sri Krishna restaurant. I don't know what this saloon, and so this shopping shop. Please support and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. And you can see Domino's, the Pizza Hut, the very famous. This side is Kalangut, very near. This is very big mall. Samsung said is sales, and you can see. And this is right side go to road. Where this go? Saligaon, and this go to petrol pump Saligaon road. And this is Capsi, this Grand Hotel. So and this side Hyatt Hotel. So very famous this hotel. I think this Hyatt, but I'm not sure. Maybe. And this is a Hard Rock Hotels Goa, and Pawan's Thai Spa Beauty and Saloon. It's very famous this side. And I'm now coming this Mapsa Circle side, and now this bus stand here. So you can see so how much crowd now this side. And this is market. So this is restaurant and very family restaurant. This is Puri batch, and this is go to Mapsa road, and this road go to Kalangut beach. And this market, Kalangut market, this is so you I show everything. This so everything's like phone charges and clothes and kaju, also this vegetables this side. And you can see. And this is go to now, and fish market. Okay, check it out now. And hey guys, I hope you like my video. Now support my channel, subscribe my channel. So go now, check it and subscribe my button bell icon. So thank you so much and support for me. Bye bye, take care.